is I'm going to send you the file for the actual movie. And all you have to do is, of course, drag the file into your program, be it DaVinci, Premiere, or whatever program you're working on. And then you're going to add your own voice. So it already has music. Okay, so now I just need to record the voiceover. That's too loud. Let me bring this down. There we go. Record the voiceover. You're going to need the script. The script is going to be right here in the same folder. And all you need to do is read the script. So make that a little smaller. And I can go ahead and record myself. This is Philip Jones. Welcome to Sound Design. This class is a cluster of arts, design, and media production programs taught on 4 campuses. Its mission is to inspire and train students to lead the next generation of high-tech media producers. As creative and successful alumni, graduates provide the entertainment industry with a highly trained workforce. Miami-Dade College School of Entertainment and Design Technology. So you can choose to just get rid of this portion, but that was another part of the project. We don't have to do that. We're just going to do the whole thing and just send it to me. Okay, so my voice was low. Let me bring that up.
This class is a cluster of arts, design, and media production programs.
I'm going to fade this part. I'm going to get rid of this part because I wasn't saying anything. Fade that part. And that's all. That's it.
This is Philip Jones. Welcome to Sound Design. This class is a cluster of arts, design, and media production programs taught on 4 campuses. Its mission is to inspire.
I said inspire. Let's get rid of that. Bring this over, and then I can fade that.
Campuses. Its mission is to inspire and train students to lead the next generation.
So yeah, that's it. That's all. Just go ahead and export that as a video file and send me just the MOV file. For Pro Tools, you'll need to do File, Bounce Mix. This window will come up and you can choose a .mov. Once you choose a .mov, everything else should be pretty self-explanatory. You really don't have to change anything. And then you export or you hit bounce from there. And that's how you export out of Pro Tools a video file. And we're done.